Hey guys, so I had a few people ask me to do like a full stash video of the stuff that I have. I mean, this is most of it. I got my personal stash that, I keep kind of hidden away that so my friends don't come in and try and grab any, but this is all the stuff we got available for anybody that wants some. So yeah, hit me up if you guys are interested. So let's see, couple of El Chupacabra left, Mastermind, Triple X, Nephilim, Resurrection, Rebellion. These are all 1%er cakes. If you guys know, they're bangers. Got one or two Nuclear Man left. I think I might just keep those for myself. Can't find any more of these, and they're banger cakes. So Hero Gasm, Easy Money, couple of Warlocks, Pale Girl. I think I got like two more of these. Sick cake right here. We got Zane, the Vampire God, Knockin' Fots. Got a couple of AI 1%er, Blue Dream, couple of those 1%er, Black Magic, couple of monster trucks, lowriders, another Zane, another Knockin' Fots. Let's see, Purple Haze. I got one The Boys left. Sorry. Hellbound, Master Rage, got a couple of those. Tiger Turns Angry, Master of the Universe, Mr. Crowley, I think that's what that is. Let's see, these are some kind of shells. I think they're, what are they called? Nightwings and some Bang Bangs. A couple of Cosmic Chaos, Gambit, Ice. That's a sick old salute cake. Let's see, we got some Hulk shells right there. A couple of Battle of Colossus. Got one Cliffhanger. Lost Soul. We got some, these are Ghostbusters. Corona Killers, got two of those left. Invasion, three of those. Let's see what we got here. Morbius, Midnight Madness, a couple of those. Can't get back there to show you guys, but let's see. Back here we got Heaven and Hell, 2 Minutes to Midnight, Nephilim, Windy City, some Juiced, Squid Game, Wall of Willows. Got one explicit content. I thought I was all out of these, but guess we got one more. We got Boardwalk. Let's see what that one is. Stoned Age. Got some goodies over here. More goodies over here. Yeah, boy. If you know, you know. Got half a case of Maddox left. Got some more Bang Bangs, Rockets over there. Let's see, Rebellion, Blue Dream, Master Party. Got more 2 Minutes to Midnight over there. Sorry guys, it's a little dark. It's really crappy outside today, so got some 7-inch HCMF locos over here. Mando by BDH. Got some more Ghostbusters. BAMFs. Let's see, what are these? Fire Force. Half a case of those. Some Locos, Master 5s, Ganja, Badass, Zombie Returns. Some more Zombie Returns. Couple of Walk the Line. Let's see, back here we got Knuckle Punch. It's a banger salute cake. A couple of Bumbles, BTK. It's a really nice cake too. Live Evil. I think I got a demo on these on my channel. A sick cake. If you know, you know. Let's see. We got some Siennas back there. Rapture, Black Magic. Got Juiced. Not another masterpiece. Or, no, sorry, another masterpiece. A couple of Master Parties. A couple of Dementors. It's a very nice cake right there. Got one Frosted Flakes. A couple of Deadpools. Mandos. Let's see what's behind there. Got a couple of The Beast, Master Gold, Supernova, Nightcrawlers. These are sick cake too. I like to use them in my shows. Got Neon, 3-inch 36 shot big board cake. Got the Monster right here. Money Shot, this is a really nice cake too. So is the Nun. Look at those. Sick cake. Yeah, I got more Money Shot and the Nun over here. A couple of High Life, 200 shotters. Another Beast. BAMF. And all these little cakes. Carolina Coast, Kamikaze, Wilder Days, Warheads. Can't remember what this one's called. I got some Diablos, Mr. Moneybag, Blood and Honey, Angel of Death. Let's see, we got a few Porkies back there. Thunder Willow, Mad as a March Air, Space Mystery. That's a straight salute cake, I believe. Got more BTKs back there. Got some Game Overs, 3-inch 25 shot banger cake. Happy Nugs, Hellraiser, big heavy cake right here. Got some of the old school Master Assortment 49 shotters. Couple cases of those. And a couple cases of Skull Crushers left. These are the, I don't know if you guys seen these or not, but they're the new MTK. But in my opinion, much better. I like them more. Let's see. Got some Venom. Yeah, still got a bunch of shit left. You know. Yeah. Let's see if I forgot anything. I got some more stuff back there that I can't get to right now. Let's see what's in here. Some goodies in here, some M80s and crackers. What's in this one? Yeah, boy, look at the size of these things. There's some hitters right there. Yeah, over here just a bunch of rockets, some more display shells and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, Mega Willow rockets. These are very nice. Huge brakes on those. Got some 3-inch super rockets somewhere back there too. Anyways, hit me up if you guys need help with any of this stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. We do a lot of demos of this stuff. Got a really nice video for you guys coming up after New Year's. So, all right, thank you.